children's librarian, and this is my apprentice, Emmett.
Hello!
Today we're going to show you how to make a glowing galaxy in a jar. As you can see, all the materials are here that came in your kit. First, we're going to start by applying the black cutouts. And if you want, you have an extra black sheet to cut out more options. Today, we're just going to keep it simple and show you how to do the simple project with the cutouts already in your kit. Once you're done with putting the black cutouts on the jar with glue both on the bottom and the top, we are going to cut up the tissue paper. I like to stack it and then cut so I can save some time. You can also cut out different shapes, circles, stars, triangles, or squares. And then you're going to do the same process of glue on the bottom, put the tissue paper there, glue on the top, and then we let it dry. Progress. As you can see, we're almost done. The glue is still drying. We are going through and finding the spots we missed. So we found a few holes. We're gonna fill those in. Like it. And the last thing to do is to put the light in. Now with these lights, you do have to open them up. Take out the white piece of film. Put it back together. Brighten up. Thank you for joining us. May the force be with you.